What's up everyone, this is Rahib Ali from DIY Tech, and today I'm going to show you how you can get lithium ion 18650 cells for free. If you want to know the complete procedure, please watch this video till the end. You will need an old laptop battery and a screwdriver and some petrol. We are not going to fire this, but we'll use little bit of this to release the chemicals of the battery seal. If you don't have petrol, you can also use the rubbing alcohol. A piece of paper towel. Take the paper towel and fold it a few times and then pour some petrol. Then take the battery and rub the paper towel on the edges of the battery. After this, leave it for a few minutes. Now take the battery and screwdriver and hit the battery edges for a few times. Try to open the battery. Screwdriver was not good enough, so we need something more sharp here. So I'll try it with this scalpel. Again, rubbing some petrol. Finally the cover is open now, and we have got 6 cells here. We will take them out and test it with the multimeter. First we will need to separate these cells from the circuit board. So take a plier or cutter and then cut all the strips that are going to the circuit board. Now we will test these cells and see how many of these are good and can be reused. So take a multimeter. I have this pocket multimeter. Set it to DC volts. And now we'll check the voltages of these batteries. This first one is not showing any stable voltages. Let's check the second one. This one is showing 2.7 volts, so this is good. This one is also showing 2.5 volts. So these 4 cells are perfectly fine and can be charged and reused. I have got this lithium cell charger, so I will also check the other 2 which are not working fine. We'll charge it and see if it's going to work or not. We'll update you in my next video. Let's try to put these cells in the charger without separating. See, the LED indicator is working. Let's check the bad one. Indicator is not working. That means these are dead cells. I have made a video on repairing dead lithium ion cells, so go watch that video as well. Maybe that can help you to repair and fix the cells which are not working. Okay, so that was all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon. Also like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.